Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring two stamp sets that are similar but different. The first one is Varied Vases, and this was designed by Mary Fish, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, who reached her $1 million sales mark and was able to design the stamp set. And the second one is Vibrant Vases, and you will find this in the Occasions catalog. One thing to mention here is that there is a punch that punches out the vases, and I believe a leaf image and a tulip image. Anyway, I have two pieces of Whisper White thin cardstock here, my stamping weight cardstock, and I am using Memento Tuxedo Black ink to stamp out all the vases, the sentiment, and the flowers, because I will be coloring with my alcohol markers, which are called blends. Now, if you don't like to watch people color, you can skip to the 5-minute mark and watch the completion of the card. It's pretty simple after that. But if you are interested in any of my color combinations, I do have color combinations at the bottom of the screen. So I will catch you back when the coloring is done. Just wanted to point out that I use this small grid paper that we sell in the Stampin' Up store underneath my coloring so that it does absorb a little bit of the alcohol so that my coloring doesn't bleed so much out of the lines. And I did have one of the vases that did bleed, and I used my Uniball Signo brand white pigment ink pen to cover the bleed. I fussy cut all of these vases and flowers, and now I'm just going to assemble them to my liking. I have a little bit of adhesive on the back of the vase. I attach the flower, and then I attach some dimensionals. And I'm using both regular size and the mini dimensionals, and that's why the minis are so very good for this sort of thing. Some of the flowers I doubled up on the dimensionals. So I have a piece of basic black here, as well as the Floral Romance Designer Series paper. Just adhered them together and applied them to my Whisper White thick card base. Here's a wee strip of basic black that I just wanted to put on the card so that the vases did not appear to be floating. Now I am coating that basic black strip with Wink of Stella, and then I am going to fold my card because I will be doing a treatment later on. All right, so now I'm just putting my flowers and arranging them the way that I want to. I'm trying to create a grouping of 5, and then the 6th one I'm putting off to the side. I just have to make sure that some are in the foreground and some are in the background, and I am trying to vary heights a little bit to reflect that. This is my favorite vase and my favorite flower. And now I'm just going to put the sentiment just for you on there. And now I'm coating the vases with Wink of Stella. And then I will be coating the vases with my fine tip glue pen. So that's the reason why I wanted to fold the card first, so that it could be tucked away on my shelf for the night so that it will dry beautifully and clear. For my perspective, I think that vases should be shiny because they're made of glass. So there you go. That's my card. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye. End of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.